reasons why homeowners might consider holding off on listing their home for sale. One of their questions is, should I wait to fix things up or should I list my home now? In this video, I will talk about why you should not wait to list. Hi, I'm Lily Sicon with BTJ Real Estate. Oftentimes, homeowners think they need to finish projects before putting their home on the market. While it is a good idea to have your house ready, completing projects will have very little effect on securing an actual buyer. It is better to connect with a real estate expert to list your house now and get their professional advice on what should or should not be fixed prior to list or during the escrow period. Instead of starting a major kitchen remodel, as an example, I recommend doing a pre-inspection or a home assessment. Do some low-cost cosmetic upgrades that can enhance the look of your house, like the wall color and the lighting fixtures, as well as the landscape and the exterior of your house. We are in a seller's market and houses are selling faster and for a higher price. One of the reasons is the low housing inventory, which is low supply or low number of homes for sale and high demand, or lots of motivated buyers due to the historically low interest rates. It is all about supply and demand. As we get into the spring, it is likely that more and more houses will be coming to the market, giving buyers more options to buy and therefore reducing your chances to sell for above the asking price. The real estate market is not always the same. It usually goes from seller's market to buyer's market. Think about it. Right now, home buyers have to compete with each other in order to get the house that they like. But once there are more homes for sale, home sellers will be competing against other homes on the market. So, if you have been thinking about selling your house, don't wait to list. Contact your real estate expert and let them help you make a plan to list your house as soon as possible so you can take advantage of the current market conditions. Your agent should be able to give you recommendations of what to fix and how to stage your house so it looks at its best. Give us a call to get started on your best deal journey in real estate in 2021. We can also connect you with a local expert anywhere in the US. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. Let me know in the comments if there is a specific topic you would like me to talk about in my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.